Alright guys, so just on this episode, I'll be going out, checking out my old man's 1 tonner, seeing where he's up to on it. He's also got a WB as well at the moment. He bought that a little while back. It didn't have an engine in it, and I think he was his plan is to change over all the running gear from the tonner into the WB, because just convenience, and nothing really costs him any money really. So, and yeah, we'll see where he's at and what he's been up to. Hopefully you guys enjoy. Hello, Ren. Alright guys, finally at my old man's place. So just having a look at his cars now. So this is the tonner that we fired up in one video. The motor actually runs quite good. Basically this car here is too rusty to do much else with. The body is completely gone. So it's just going to be mainly a parts car. He's actually going to chuck all the running gear. He's actually going to take all the running gear out of this. So the motor, the 4-speed, and I think he might be all good with the tail shaft and the 10 bolt. Because it's a tonner, a lot of the parts are really good for the running gear for these things. A lot of the parts are still not too bad on this thing, like the dash and stuff like that. The steering column, stuff that he wants to all keep. But yeah, everything else is too rusty. The chassis itself might be alright, but the car's way too far gone. Even like all the doors, they're too far gone as well. So they're just, yeah, could be fixed, but that's way too much. Like it would take too much time. Even the bonnet was like bending in half. So definitely good wheels on it though. Right now, I don't know where you got these wheels from, but they're good wheels. So what he's actually going to do is, yeah, take all the parts off this that he can use, and he bought this one here not long ago. So this is where all the parts are going to go. He's going to get this blasted, going from scratch, doing it all properly, apparently. So I'll probably be helping him out, doing most of the work, like when it comes to the body work. And then yeah, he's going to put the running gear in this. He's going to chase up a couple of parts, because I don't know if he's going to go with the WB front end, because that's what this is, the WB. But yeah, he's going to put most of the HQ running gear and steering column, and pick and choose all the best parts and put this one here together. You know, look, this one's going to take it's going to take a fair bit of work. Like, you know, that's probably close to an inch of bog right there. There's rust there. There's rust in the steel panels. They do, because the WB does have, I think it's a 10 bolt steel that's in these as well. The tray in this is way better than my tray. My tray's got like a massive hole. A little bit of rust. It has heaps of filler in this though, so you don't really know what you're going to get until we get right into it. But once it's all stripped back, it'll be getting blasted soon. Probably this year we should have this blasted. And right, so this year we should have this thing blasted and epoxy, and all the rust work should be almost completed by the end of this year, I'd say. Or maybe in primer, I'd say that's where we should get up to with this car. Yeah, so that was just a quick little video of what my old man's doing with his cars, and we'll do a bit of a progress thing on it. I'll have to do a bit more work on it as well when I come out here, and we'll do a couple of other little videos on this stuff. So hopefully you guys enjoyed and see where he's up to, and thanks for watching.